Happy birthday, Oli! Ngayon yung party niya, guys. Feeling ko totopakin na naman to mamaya pag nakita niyang maraming tao.
Na-touch na naman siya. Bumaba na siya, yehey! Look, Ali, look!
Ayan na si Cocomelon Girl! Happy birthday, Oli! Ngayon yung party niya, guys. Late na ako nakapag-vlog kasi inasikaso ko muna tong mga to. Na! Oli na! So pretty, Oli! Feeling ko totopakin na naman to mamaya pag nakita niyang maraming tao. Sana wag. Asus! So cute naman! Happy birthday! Are you excited? Are you excited for your Cocomelon party? Yes or no? Tayo na pa naman to, wala sa mood. Na, wala sa mood yan, ano? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ganda. Ayan guys, ito yung from yours truly JP. Tapos from JSR Creatives DP. Yan, ito yung mga inayos ko kagabi guys. Tapos ito Bespoke by Jackie. Ang ganda nung cake. Ang ganda no. Yan si JJ. Hindi mukhang Cocomelon kasi parang more on aesthetic siya eh. Pag kay Bespoke by Jackie. Pero grabe yung details. Diba? Ganda. Tapos ito yung mga neck pillow. Yan. Ay, sorry ate. Mga neck pillow na souvenir. Yan, Zoe Design and Papery guys. Itong mga neck pillow na to. Sila yung laging nag-aano din ng mga pang souvenir namin. Maraming salamat. Tapos ito din. JSR Creative. Tapos ito, sa McDo na to galing. Mga prices. Tapos yun pa yung mga ibang prices. Cute. Puro Cocomelon pala talaga. Oh, ang payak na! Sino yan? Hello, super pogi. Ay, si Cassie wala. Oh. Camping. Buti pinapayagan mo na sa ganun.
Sa school lang.
Oh, sa school lang?
Ano namin, may ako kasi music.
Nakakaparaning kasi pag hindi sa school. Hello, so pogi! Ayan na yan sila. Ayun si Jelly. Hi! Oh, say thank you po! Say thank you po! May cash po ba to?
Okay, before we go to the store, may I request everyone to please stand up for our opening promo to be led by Ate Purple.
Huwag niyo po kami pabayaan. Bigyan niyo po kami ng mga kain sa araw-araw. At sana po, huwag niyo pong pabayaan yung mga mahal po namin sa buhay. Amen.
Here with my co-hosts, Ate Purple, Ate Rachel, and si Ate Noel Gabang. And of course, may I request, ayan, yung may take receipt na po. Okay. And of course, may I request to all the kids to please come in front. We have a simple energizer lang, kids. Okay? Ayan. One more. Can I request to all the kids to please come in front? We have a simple energizer lang po. Ayan, lahat ng kids. She will teach you how to dance a chicken dance. She will have you are simple energizer, okay? For our first step, kids, is 1, 2, 3. Second is 1, 2, 3. Third is 1, 2, 3. And clap your hands. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And clap, clap, clap. Okay, music please. Alright, feel that you're pretty and handsome. Ayan, pinapaka naman natin ang kids. Hindi lang kayo kids. And now, guess reading. Okay, let's start with you. What's your name? Mateo. Okay, Queen Mateo, you will greet Olivia as long as you can. Okay, for example, happy birthday, Olivia! Okay, ready? Practice muna tayo, okay? Say happy birthday, Olivia, in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Olivia! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! Good job! You got 8 seconds. Okay, one more time, one more time. Say happy birthday, Olivia, in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Olivia! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, nadagdagan ng 1 second. Good job! Okay, how about you? Say happy birthday, Olivia, in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Olivia! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you got 11 seconds. Good job. Okay, thank you so much for the both of you. You still have a consolation prize. Okay, ang award time sa big po is 11 seconds. Okay, Ate Atina. Okay, say happy birthday, Olivia, in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Olivia! Ayun, nag-active so much for. Okay, and now, how about si Pia Pri? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Olivia, in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Olivia! Okay, good job! You got 11 seconds. Ayan, meron kang consolation prize. Okay, still 24 seconds ang ating time to beat. Okay? Ready? Say happy birthday, Olivia, in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Olivia! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, you got 21 seconds. Good job. Still 24 seconds pa rin ang ating time to beat. Okay, Ate Louie. Say happy birthday, Olivia, in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Olivia! Okay, good job. You got 16 seconds. Okay, and our last time, the ating pinakachang time to beat na natin is 24 seconds. Happy birthday, Olivia! 16 seconds. Okay, now we're really done. 24 seconds. Okay, congratulations. Sass, bring me a team that starts with the letter B. Starts with the letter B in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Starts with the letter B. Battle. Ayan, battle daw po. Battle matter. Okay, a bag, of course. Ayan, get your prize kay Ate Noe. Okay? Starts with the letter A. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan, I have 3 winners. Alcohol. Very good, kids. Texas, bring me 1,000 peso bill in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And meron pa kahabal. Okay. Ayan. 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 Nagumabol pa 4K. Dahil dyan, ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. Meron tayong 4K dito. Dahil dyan, bibigay natin to kay Olivia lahat. Ayan. Ayan. Biro lang po. Okay. Get your 1,000 po. Ayan. Bibigay ko talaga to kay Olivia. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyone? Any 20 peso coins?
Go.
Ayan. Tatlo. Ayan. May humabol pa. May hahabol pa ba? Ayan. Okay. Asan na? Ayan. Okay. Dahil dyan, pamasahin na namin ito pauwi mamaya. Kuya Noah. Okay, Kuya Noah, let's form a one big circle. Okay. Come here po. Move tayo backward. Okay, move tayo backward. Very good. Okay, for our game po is pass the balloon. Okay, we have a balloon here. Practice po muna. Okay, practice. Okay? Music please. Okay, you can pass it now. Alright, very good. Okay, pass it. When the music stops po, you will be out of the game. Whoever touches the last of the first and whoever holding it. Okay. Okay, si ate. Ayan siya. Okay, pass it. Alright, si ate po. Thank you so much. Good job. Ay, up ka na daw, baby boy. Thank you, meron kang consolation prize. Ayun, hindi niya hinot. Ang huling nakata si baby girl. Alright, sino muli? Hello. Ayan si baby girl. Okay, thank you so much. Good job. Okay, kayong dalawa na lang. Okay, ready? Pass the balloon? Okay, nag-volleyball na. Okay, one more time. Lapit po kayo, onte. Ayan. Okay, ready? Pass the balloon? Okay, kung sino makakuha ng huli? Alright, si Ate Louie! Good job! Thank you so much! Ayan our winner! Congratulations! Ayan! Shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees, and head, shoulder, 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 head, 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 pop, pop, pop! Alright! Good job!
Mga competitive pala itong mga
Get the frog, let me now think shoulder, head, pop, pop, pop! Alright! Good job! Ayan! Once again, may I request all of you to please come in front for our next game, which is the boat is sinking po. Ayan. Okay, very good. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into two. Ayan. Ayan. This is the real game, kids. Big circle ulit.
Join ka dun. Join ka dun.
Okay, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 5. In 5, 4. Ayan, nagpabaya na lang siya. Okay. Ayun, may nahila tayo dito. Okay, 1 more first. Pair number 1, tumalon, talon, talon. Ipasa, pair number 3. Pair number 3, umikot, umikot, umikot. Ipasa, pair number 4. Pair number 4, tumalon, talon, talon. Ipasa, pair number 2. Pair number 2, kumambot, kumambot, kumambot. Ipasa, pair number 1. Pair number 1, iputok mo na. Ganun, kung wala puputakin. Ayan. Time pag-game na tayo. Pair number 1, kumambot, kumambot, kumambot. Ipasa, pair number 4. Pair number 4, tumalon, talon, talon. Ipasa, pair number 3. Pair number 3, umikot, umikot, umikot. Ipasa, pair number 2. Pair number 2, kumambot, kumambot, kumambot. Ipasa, pair number 4. Pair number 4, tulog mo na! Okay. 1 point na tayo sa girls team. Okay. Ipasa, pair number 2. Pair number 2, umikot, umikot, umikot. Ipasa, pair number 3. Pair number 3, kumambot, kumambot, kumambot. Ipasa, pair number 4. Pair number 4, tumalon, talon, talon. Ipasa, pair number 1. Pair number 1, kumambot, kumambot, kumambot. Ipasa, pair number 3. Pair number 3, putok mo na! Now na, girls team. So, girls team got 1 point na din po. Alright, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, Olivia, you may now blow your candle in 3, 2, 1, blow! Yay! Everyone, let's all greet Olivia a happy birthday in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Olivia! Alright.
Na-touch na naman siya.
Another party, another Friday night, another talk that might turn into a fight. Too many faces you only see online, too many cases of faking by design. Wake up every morning just to go right back to sleep. Text everyone you already know you'll never meet. Dance alone around your room and get down to the beat. Wanna change the world, 21 and a feeling old. Being young and engaged in the modern age, only seen on the screen, internet's our stage. Reaching high, wondering why no one knows the way. Got the world at our feet, but we're just another movie, another neon light, another way to forget the life outside. Too many places you only see online. Love yourself, you can't be beat. But honesty is scary, so you're gonna hit delete.
Shiny apples, you are tasty for lunch. I sure do like your crunch. Love.
Bumaba na siya, yehey! Halika, Oli! Come here, Oli! Oli! Dito, oh! Birthday mo kasi ito eh.
But now I feel great, and I can't wait. Hello,
Oli!
hello, hello.
At least may picture siya doon.
We don't have to meet at the bar, getting drinks. We don't have to sleep together for the night and forget each other's lives. Oh no, this doesn't have to
kid. Ayan, mga malaban yung mga kids natin. Alam na alam. O, diba? Para mga class music po.
Look, Oli, look.
Alright, palakpakan naman po natin si Grimace. Ayan. Okay, compress po tayo. 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, habang walking naman po. In 3, 2, 1, walking. Okay, turn your camera into video. Everybody say happy birthday, Olivia. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, thank you so much, kids.
Hindi ko na kailangan makalugam ako. Hindi na nagdanan.
Meron ka pang more. O, diba? Ang dami. Wow! What will you say? Thank you. How about you po? What will you say to Olivia?
Happy birthday, Oli.
What will you say to Olivia?
Happy birthday, Olivia.
Ito pa po. Meron ka pa more. Ito pa po.
Happy birthday, Olivia.
Ano happy meal?
Happy birthday, Olivia.
Happy birthday, Olivia.
Happy birthday, Olivia. Thank you. Happy birthday, Olivia.
Na-shy na siya. Happy birthday. Thank you. Wow. Happy birthday. Olivia. Alright. Thank you po. Ayun, meron ka ba po candy? Kami po. Kami. Alright, ito po po. And may pillow pa. And meron pa po. Meron pa po. Dami. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. What will you say to Olivia? Happy birthday, Olivia. Thank you. Alright. Ayan kasi. Ito po po. Thank you. Hello. What will you say to Olivia?
Rara.
Wow, Kuya Noah. Ayan. Kuya Noah, you get your prize from Olivia. Okay, here po. Ayan, from Olivia. Ayan, thank you po.
Anong masasabi mo kay Olivia?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ayan. Thank you. Happy birthday, Olivia.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Olivia.
Happy birthday, Olivia. Ayan. Hi, kami.
maganda. Jacket mo ang ibigay niya.
Anong klase ka? Happy birthday, Olivia.
Ma?
Anong gusto sasabihin kay Olivia? Happy birthday, Olivia! Yan! Sige po. Happy birthday, Olivia! Ako, Dima! Happy birthday, Olivia! Family, thank you so much for choosing McDonald's Via Taguignet and for celebrating this important milestone with us. Mag-iingat mo lang sa pag-uwi. Kita kiss over the macro.
Ayan, photographer namin, Toby Anastasio yan guys sa Facebook page. Toby Anastasio. Maraming salamat Kuya, ingat. Oli, halika, dali.
Tinawag mo daw siya?
Nag-enjoy ka?
Kaya pala,
No, may camera oh. Ito naman, automatic.
kaya pala sabi niya, talaga?
Nag-enjoy ka, Oli, sa birthday mo? Cocomelon party? Nag-enjoy ka? Did you enjoy? No, dede muna, no? Hala, 2 years old na yan. Dumidede pa, guys, oh. Baby pa ba yan? Nag-enjoy pa to? Walang kaiyak-iyak to kanina. Hindi talaga yan umiyak. Ang galing-galing. Talagang nag-enjoy talaga yan siya. Lalo na nung kinantahan siyang happy birthday, no?
Sobrang na-touch talaga siya, no?
Pero nung mga bandang ano naman, bandang huli na, bumababa na siya. Nakikipag ano na, laro kahit papano.
Halika na.
Kaya lagi nilalayo na yun sa akin ni Ali kasi para mabawasan na yung ano, eme-emeng dede niya. Yung mga gift, bukas na lang namin i-unbox dahil hindi na po kaya ng powers ko. Tignan niyo yung mata ko. Naaantok na ang personification. So, ayun. Maraming salamat. Ay! Yun pala. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa mga nag-sponsor ng giveaway ni Oli. Zoe Papery Design para dun sa mga neck pillow. Yours truly, jp.ph para dun sa... naubusan nga ako nun eh. Meron palang kasama yun dun sa loob na ref magnet. Tapos may picture ni Oli. Kasi hindi ko nakita yung loob nun eh. Kasi diba naka-ano na siya, naka-pack na siya. Kasi hindi ko na siya tinanggal. Eh, hindi kami nakapagtabi. Ayan, oh, may ganito pala. Ayan, oh, ref magnet na ulo ni Oli. Tapos may nakalagay Olivia. Eh, nagre-request ako baka pwede makahingi ng isa. So, naubusan kami. Sayang ref magnet pa naman yan. Tapos, ang cute-cute ni Oli. JSR Creative Designs and Prints para naman doon sa yung inayos ko nga na plastic cup na souvenir. Tapos, nilagyan namin ng candy. Maraming salamat po. So, ayan lang, guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Bukas na lang ulit. Bye!